Hey, it's local Weedia here with a quick gardening tip. Why don't you go to the store if you want to do some seeds and just get a bunch of these. This is under $1, I think, for these very flimsy, lightweight trays. This one of them, the one under here, is already broken. They break real easy. But you can get these, and then you take a little stapler and staple one side together, and you made yourself your own little seed starter dome. They sell seed starter domes for about $20. Anywhere between $15 and $30 you can find different kinds of seed starting domes like this. You don't even have to go buy this because you can use this. So you take your eggs out and you fill this to level with dirt the same way you would these. Pretty much do it exactly the same. And then look at that. This would fit, it would fit right in here. Perfect. So I happen to have these little planters, so I just used them, but I started my cannabis in this. And it's reusable, and this is reusable. So you want to garden cheap? That's one excellent way to start. And what we have in here is a bunch of lettuce and spinach. That's my tip for the day. Bye.